Hi guys, how are you? I hope you got your materials ready. Again, you need your bag of 20 objects, and then you need lesson 9 template. It's gonna be the 2 double 10 frames, and that's gonna be on page 146 in your stapled packet. I just tried and it's a little hard when it's stapled in, so you might wanna rip it out for our lesson today. And you're gonna need that. And I'm gonna go over our skill today. So our skill today is that you are gonna be able to draw teen numbers from abstract to pictorial. Basically, that means when I give you a number, that's the abstract, you're gonna have to put that into a picture that represents that number. So like I said, we're kind of getting away from our hide zero cards with this lesson, and you're doing a lot more of actually showing me that you know what these numbers look like. So keep that in mind. Today, you only have 2 skills that you're gonna be having to show me that you can complete on your own. The first one is that you're gonna be able to use a double 10 frame to show teen numbers. So again, remember, your double 10 frame is this page that we're gonna use today for our lesson. The second one, and this is how we're gonna end the lesson today, is that you are gonna be able to show a teen number with a drawing. And again, using the double 10 frame or how we're gonna set up our board. So, like I said, we'll end with that one today. But to start off with, let's go ahead and start off with your first one. For today's lesson, I'm gonna be doing just a lot of giving you a number. So what I want for you to do right now is go ahead and get your 20 objects out and go ahead and fill in the 2 5 frames on the top, because you know that we're always gonna be doing 10 and something else. So while I'm filling in mine, go ahead and fill in yours. All right, and now please keep in mind, I am not using my cards today. You're just gonna have to listen to my voice, and then you're gonna show me that number, okay? So again, I would like for you to show me the number 13. We already have 10. Think about how many more do we need to make 13. Go ahead and start filling yours in. I'm gonna put mine down. I know for me to make 13, I need my group of 10 and I need 3 more. Again, for me to check, I can count on 10, 11, 12, 13. I hope yours looks like mine. Okay, I'm gonna take just my 3 away. Leave your 10 on top because like I said, you know that when we're breaking apart teen numbers, we can always keep that set on top. All right, the next number I would like you to make is I would like for you to make me the number 18. So think about, if you already have 10, how many more do you need to make 18? This is perfect if you need to practice your counting on. So I'll show you what that might look like. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Again, it's another tool you guys can remember and use when you're doing these problems. So I know to get 18, I need all 10, and then I need 8 more. All right, take off those 8. Remember, leave the 10 on top because we're always using it. Will you please make me the number 15? You have your 10. Go ahead and think about what more you need to add on down below. Again, if you already know it, you can quickly put them down. If you need to count, go ahead and count and do your self-talk. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I know to get 15, I am going to need 10, and then I am going to need 5 more. All right, I'm gonna take off those 5 down below. Oops. All right, my next number for you that I would like for you to make is going to be the number 19. Go ahead and think about that number. The number is 19. I know I have my 10, and in my head, I'm thinking when I am playing the push 10 game, I get 10 and 9. So I'm gonna quickly just fill in 9 spaces. I know that 9 is going to be all of them with the exception of the last one. So to make 19, it's going to be 10 and 9. All right, awesome job. I'm gonna take off my bottom ones. All right, let's do 2 more and then I'll show you what our board is gonna look like today. All right, will you please make for me the number 11? All right, I know that 11 is gonna be 10 and 1 more. All right, I'm gonna take that away. Last one, okay? Will you go ahead and will you please make me the number 14? 14. All right, I know 14 for me is going to look like 10 and 4 more. Remember, we can always count on if we need to. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, awesome, my friends. Okay, so that was our first skill. Remember, abstract means I'm just telling you a number and you have to actually show me what it looks like with materials. So that was our first skill that we did. Our second skill, remember, is that you are now going to show me a teen number with a drawing, keeping in mind you're going to try to make your drawing using the double 10 frame again. So if you come to my board today tells you that you're going to draw the number and then you're going to go back and you're just going to circle the 10 ones. So please make sure you're really watching and understanding what that means. So I know when I need to make the number 12, it's going to be, again, I keep thinking of my pushing 10 game. It's going to be 10 and 2. So I'm going to make my 10. There's my set of 10. And then again, I'm going to make my 2 down below. 10 and 2 makes 12. I've done the first one. Woohoo! I still need to go back though, and I need to circle my 10 ones, which means I need to come up here. I am just circling the 10s. I am not circling the leftover, the extras that we have. So keep that in mind, okay? I'm just circling my group of 10. All right, let's go to our second number. Ooh, the number is 20. All right, I'm gonna make my number 20. I know 20, when I do the pushing 10 game, it's gonna be 2 sets of 10. So I have 1 set of 10, 2 sets of 10. I like this one because we have to circle our 10 ones, and guess what? In this, there is 2 sets of 10. So you should have circled the 20 twice. All right, the next one I have is the number 15. I know when I'm playing the pushing 10 game, it's gonna be 10 and 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to make my 10, and then I add on my 5 more. Remember, I did the first thing. I still have to go back and circle my second group of, my group of 10. So I have my group of 10. I do not circle the leftover, okay? So make sure of that. All right, my last and final one, 18. I know when I push 18 and I break this number apart, I can even think of it like a number bond. It's gonna be the number 10 and the number 8, okay? So I know I need 10 dots, or 10 to start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need my 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same thing, I need to go back up and I need to circle my 10 ones. So I'm gonna circle that group on top. My bottom one does not have 10, so that's why I'm not circling it. All right, friends, so today you actually are gonna be doing and completing 3 pages. So please make sure you're getting all 3 pages completed. The first page is going to be on page 132 in your stapled packet. Basically, you are doing the exact same thing that we did starting off on the floor with. So again, you're given a number and you are gonna draw that number in your double 10 frames. They want you to do your whisper count. So again, here's my thing. If you're really good and you know the number right away, then go ahead and just draw that number or make that number. That's totally fine. If you're still struggling with 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, I need for you to get that extra practice in and count it, okay? So you're gonna do this page. Your next page is gonna be right behind it. And again, it's on page 133. Now, 133 looks exactly like what we just did on the board. They're giving you a number, But now you need to draw it and then you need to circle the 10s, okay? The bottom two, if you will ask mom and dad to give you a number. Now, please remember, it says teen number. So you cannot do the number 4. You cannot do the number 7. It has to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? The last and final page you're gonna do, pancake flip it over. It's gonna be on page 134. Same thing, it's just a quick review of our entire lesson. You are given the number, you're gonna fill in the double 10 frame. The 2 down below are blank, just like we did on the board. You're gonna draw them, and then you're gonna circle your 10 ones. Okay, you guys? Keep up the amazing work. If you remember, we're slowly starting to get away from all of our helpers with the hide 0 cards. They're really trying to see if you understand how to do numbers and how to see numbers in your head. Okay, you guys? Have a wonderful night, and I'll see you on Thursday. Bye.